we have noted that with dismay, some persons are trying to buy cards. And we have also found out that some people within the system, within the response team, were trying to connive with some people who tried to buy cards without taking the vaccines. In that light, we have also, gotten those persons. We have handed them over to the security agencies, and they are being handled officially the way they must be handled. In essence, it is not only the person selling the card that will go further to arresting if necessary. We're also going to be arresting those who are trying to buy cards. The vaccine, nursing mothers can take. The vaccines does not have any negative effect. Studies have been done, and it's been shown that nursing mothers can take. Actually, pregnant women can take. That's why I say the physicians will determine a few things. There are in medicine, there are issues that are not cast in stone. So in that light, we need to discuss a little more. And we have given the the directives to the security agents who are enforcing on some of those criteria. And we are coming out with even more clearer information as to how they can manage those cases. So for instance, like I said earlier, if you see a 70-year-old woman telling you I'm pregnant and she wants to pass, or a 60-year-old woman, I'm pregnant, yes, we will not doubt you because these days of IVF, a lot of things can happen. But you must show us proof. And those proofs must be duly endorsed by the authorities that we know are recognized for confirming pregnancy.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.